Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how to create this beautiful single welt pocket. So welt pockets, if you don't know, are those tiny little detailed pockets that we find on suits or on trousers. They look very simple and beautiful, but sometimes they can be really confusing on how to make it, but it looks really cool when you look at it, and it's very much beautiful. So I'm going to be showing us how to go about that in this video. So first of all, this is me. Just consider this as this fabric here as your suit material or the trouser that you're making. So I'm just drawing out the lines on where I want to fix the pocket. So it depends on you on how you want to go about it. So this is how I'm doing mine. Okay, so I'm drawing out these two long lines, and then this arc is going to help me when I'm turning the fabric inward. So go ahead to sew down on these lines that you created, except the ones that are inside the little box. So after sewing it, you have to fold your fabric like this, and then you have to cut at the center. Be careful so that you won't cut down to where you have the arc. So this is me trying to cut out the tiny arcs so that when I turn this over, it will look good. So if you're doing this, be careful so you won't cut into your fabric. Okay, so after doing that, just go ahead and turn the right side out, and it should look something like this. So go ahead and press it with your iron, and then it should look something as beautiful as this. Then this is me trying to fold the fabric upwards. Okay, you want to fold it to the point that it's almost as if you're covering the rectangle, but you're not doing that. Okay, you still leave out a tiny space on top. All right, so go ahead and pin that down so as to help secure the sides, especially when you're trying to sew it all around. So this is me cutting out the excess that was on top. I noticed I didn't really like it, and that it was going to look more bulky when I'm done, so I have to just cut that out. So this is me trying to sew around it, okay, just to secure it and then keep it in one place. So go ahead and then cut out another fabric that looks that comes with the same shape as the one you sewed down on the fabric. Then you're gonna close that all around, just like what I'm doing right. So this is what's going to serve as the pocket cover. Okay, like from the back, this is what's going to form the actual pocket that you are trying to sew on. So once you're done sewing round, it should look something like this. So now go ahead and then sew on top of the cover. Let's say cover or the flap or something like that, whatever it is you want to call it. Go ahead and sew around there. Make sure that you're sewing directly on the first thread that you had. Okay, so this is actually going to keep it stirred. It won't allow it move up and down, just moving side by side and the rest, or pulling down the pocket from the upper part. So once you are done, the pocket should look exactly like this. Okay, so guys, it should look something like this after you're done ironing it. So guys, that's a wrap for this video. If you want to be seeing tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are concerning this pocket. Okay, so until next time, bye.